google.com in your browser such as Firefox or Google Chrome or Safari, so it goes request to web server and you will get a response from that web server. So what if you can intercept this request and you can observe it? Then you can observe, then you can modify this request and you can observe web server behavior to find potential vulnerabilities in web applications and API endpoints or other things. So once you made a request, then it goes to proxy, in this case Burp-Suite, then it goes to web server and the request comes back in the same way. So let's see that in action. So let's go to Burp-Suite. So if you go to google.com, so it's gonna give that page because we don't have any proxies at the moment. Then I open my Burp-Suite, then go to Firefox, go to settings, just look for network settings, then manual proxy, then you need to type that loopback IP address such as 127.0.0.1, then you need to give port 8080. So you're going to use HTTPS sites as well, so I'm going to also use this proxy for HTTPS, then click on OK. So then you need to run on intercept, then just go to any.com. So in this case I got this error because I'm trying to visit HTTPS websites, but this browser has to trust this application, so we need to load a CA certificate in this browser. If it is not HTTPS site, so you're gonna visit. Let's try that. Let me turn off. Yeah, in this case you are able to see that because this is not, it doesn't have any security. So if I refresh google.com, still you won't see. So in this case what you can do, just go to http:// and Bob, then download the CA certificate. I just already downloaded that file. Once you download it, just go to settings again in the browser, then click on look for cert, then click on view certificates, then authorities, then import, then just import the certificate you just downloaded. Then you need to trust it. Okay, now close this stuff, then try to visit google.com. Now you're able to see that. So if you click on intercept, refresh this page, so you're going to see that request over here. Once you forward this request, then it's going to forward this request to web server, then web server is going to respond, then that would come back to proxy again, Burp-Suite in this case. Then if you forward it goes back to this browser thing. And I found a simple way, instead of if you want to turn off these things, so you gotta go to the our settings and network settings and proxy. So I got an easy way. What you can do, just go to settings, just search for network, then just click on no proxy. What you can do in this case, okay, if you refresh it, it's gonna go. Now just try to add a FoxyProxy extension, and this one works in Chrome only, sorry, Firefox only. So add to Firefox. Okay, add, allow this in private window as well, so don't have any problem. So what you can do, click on over here, then options, then add, you can name it anything. In this case I'm gonna give Burp-Suite, sorry, HTTP, then you can do 127.0.0.1 and give port number 8080, and that's it. So what you can do, simply you can click over here if you want to use Burp-Suite as a proxy. Then if you don't want, you can click on, let's see that in action. Just type google.com. So in this case, okay, if I type google.com, so I'm not going to see any request over here. Then if I want it, I can click on Burp-Suite. Then if I refresh it, I'm going to see the request here now. So this extension makes our life easy. Turn off if you don't want it.